In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block Mailchimp emails. With the world moving at such a fast pace, it's more important than ever to manage our inboxes effectively. Unwanted emails can quickly become a nuisance, cluttering your inbox and potentially burying important messages. Fortunately, Mailchimp provides a straightforward way to block or unsubscribe from emails, ensuring that you only receive the communications that are valuable to you. Let's start by accessing your Mailchimp account. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Mailchimp login page. Once you're there, you'll need to enter your username or email address followed by your password. These fields are crucial for protecting your account and ensuring that only you have access to your email preferences. After entering your login credentials, click on the Login button to access your account. This simple step is your gateway to managing the myriad emails that reach your inbox. After you have successfully logged in, you're brought to the home page of Mailchimp. From here, the journey to declutter your inbox truly begins. Look for the Audience option in your dashboard. This section is pivotal because it contains all the information about who you're reaching out to or who is reaching out to you via email. Clicking on Audience will bring down a drop-down menu. You'll want to select all contacts from this menu. This is where Mailchimp stores the details of every contact who has either subscribed to your emails or whom you have added to your mailing lists. It represents your direct line to managing how you interact with your audience. Once you're in the All Contacts section, take a moment to locate a specific contact you wish to block or unsubscribe from. This process ensures that you're only refining your mailing list to include those contacts that are most relevant to you or your business. Upon selecting a contact, look for the email subscription section. This is where Mailchimp gives you control over the subscription status of each contact in your mail list. Here you will see an option to change a contact's subscription status. Clicking on Unsubscribed is a significant step towards decluttering your inbox and tailoring your Mailchimp experience to only include content you find relevant or necessary. After selecting the unsubscribed option, a confirmation step is necessary to finalize this action. You'll see an option to unsubscribe contacts. Clicking on this will effectively block emails from that specific contact, ensuring that your inbox remains as streamlined and as relevant as possible. It's important to note that this action is significant, as it directly affects how you receive emails from the chosen contact. Therefore, be certain that this is the right decision for you. Once you confirm the unsubscription, Mailchimp will update the contact status and you will no longer receive emails from them. This step is empowering, as it puts you in the driver's seat, giving you the ability to manage your digital communication effectively. What we've walked through today is not just about blocking emails, it's about taking control of your inbox and, by extension, your digital life. The steps laid out in this tutorial are designed to be clear, straightforward, and user-friendly, ensuring that you can follow along regardless of your technical expertise. Remember, managing your inbox effectively allows you to focus on the emails that truly matter, making your digital communication as efficient as possible. By now, you should feel comfortable navigating the Mailchimp interface to unsubscribe from unwanted emails. This process is a valuable tool in maintaining order and relevance in your inbox. Remember, the goal is not just to block emails haphazardly, but to make informed decisions about the content you wish to receive and engage with. I hope this guide has been helpful and has empowered you to take control of your email interactions through Mailchimp. Keep in mind the importance of regularly reviewing your subscription lists to ensure they remain relevant to your needs and preferences. Thank you for following along with this tutorial, and here's to a more organized inbox.